Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to find the derivative by definition. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of this one that should be like this. Now this one that is about this one. About this one, we need to change s into this one, so that should be like this. Next, we need to expand this one. This one. Now, we need to simplify this one minus this one, this one minus this one, number one minus number one, and now we just have like this. Next, we divide by h, this one divide by h, and so on in here. So we have h approach to number 0, so I will put number 0 on here, and we just have only 3s squared plus 3. So first, the derivative f of s equals to 3s squared plus 3. And now they want to find this one. So I will put number 0 on here. And we have number 3. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.